So this is that 80-year-old table that we are restoring for Six Points Church. The seal coat is set up, the first seal coat. There will be another seal coat applied, a second one. It's about 1 to 1.5 ounces per square foot, and it's to seal the wood and all of the beautiful artwork that is on it. So we minimize bubbling in the finished product. Right now I'm going to go over it with some sandpaper, scuff up the surface, and then apply the second seal coat. The other reason we do this is because of any holes, like from the previous nails, or cracks, like there's a piece right here that looks like somebody accidentally cut it at some point in time. It encapsulates all those and fills all those voids in, so we get a nice glass-like finish when we're done. Should be gorgeous when we're done. So excited and looking forward to presenting this back to the Six Points Church in time for their 100 years of ministry celebration in a few months.